Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on Quick Guide. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Netspend HEB account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC. Now there, search for Netspend HEB. And now from the search result, select the very first link, login/HEB account. As soon as you do that, you will directly land it to its HEB login page. Now here, you have to type in your username and password correctly. And if in case you have forgotten either your username or your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on forget your username or password link. And if you want your system to remember your username, then you can check this remember username square box. And if you're using public or shared device, then make sure to uncheck the square box or leave this box as it is. And now, once you're done with typing in your username and password, tap on login button in order to get logged into your Netspend HEB account. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your Netspend HEB account. I hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.